If I have that disheveled first woke up look, it's because I do. I wanted to give some more updates. I'm going to be filming another set of videos. I'm going to try and release this one tomorrow. So you'll see this one after I upload the first video of this series. Also, there will be a small haul from Tuesday morning, which we will go over right now. I was so fortunate to find a bunch of Christmas paper in time for Christmas because, as most of you guys know, I do not have much of Christmas supplies. Also, if you can't see the printer in the back, then I am currently printing off some more digital kits that I just purchased. You'll also be able to find the links in the description box below. If you are catching them on time, they should still be on sale for a really affordable price that almost anyone would jump on if you don't have them already. Alright, let's get into the haul. And of course, all of my other shenanigans, if you guys couldn't tell. I definitely can. It's actually cleared up a lot since yesterday. Of course, we got all our primary tools here. We got the sewing machine right there, and it's on a portable table. The printer set back in the corner is also on a portable. This is also a portable. I want to try and clear out bunches of stuff. I want to start making some little surprise boxes to start throwing up on Etsy and YouTube to start clearing out so I can finally get organized and just declutter what I'm not using. I may do some of it as giveaway. I may do some of them as purchasable surprise boxes. So we will see what happens, and let's do our little Tuesday morning spiel. I got the desk cleaned off. If you couldn't tell from my previous video, we're about ready to do our next Christmassy lineup of videos for the 12 Days of Craftmas. And I wanted to do a little haul / vlog to get you guys kick-started for the next set. So I knew that I needed terribly needed Christmas supplies. Paper, all that stuff, you name it. And I've been on a budget due to Christmas. Technically, I should have sent $40 over to Boo to help him out with a few things. But we both agreed that if I was going to continue on and make you guys all of the lovelies I could for the 12 Days of Craftmas, that I needed to get some Christmas-themed stuffings like paper and little goodies, etc. I still need a few more small doodads that I would like to get. But that will come in a little while. And of course, everything in the videos that I am making will not be residing with me. They will be headed out to new homes, either when they are purchased or as gifts for thank yous for so much wonderful, blessed goodness. So, you may notice I just threw these stockings up on the desk. These lovelies are now available in my shop. I need to wash them right now because, you know, they got the smell of storage on them. I usually use Tide to wash them. If you do purchase one and Tide is irritating to your skin, let me know. I also have a more natural detergent that I don't use as regularly that will work too. Because I know that my mom had an allergy to Tide. But these are on there for $10. And this specific batch of stockings, I'm calling them Stockings for Hope because there is a Hope Animal Shelter in Marana, Arizona, within proximity to where I live. And they take in animals that really definitely need the help. They're like the Sarah McLachlan In the Arms of an Angel videos that really need support. So they have a program where you can go and you can buy like blankets and dog food and stuff like that to help the shelter support these animals, feed them, give them blankets, give them toys. And that's what I and the other half decided on for sort of a charitable giving event this year. So if you guys would love to purchase these stockings, they're $10. They're in my shop. There are 3 Marvel little pop head style ones, and then I have an Olaf one. They are all really cute, and the shipping will be paid for out of the funds, and then the rest of the funds will go to charity. So, and any information you want to know about the Hope Foundation, it's Hope Animal Shelter, will be found in the description box of these stockings on my shop. Alright, now that I've bored you guys with sale charity stuff, for some of you, I know you don't like to hear that all the time. I don't do it very often, as most of my lovely followers know. So these are beautiful poinsettias. Aren't they just magnificent? That I got a Tuesday morning for $1.99. And as you guys know, a set like this, exactly $5 would be I would probably see these for more like $7. And of course we got these cute little doodads here. There's like these pop buttons. They're metallic and they got the little glossies and they pop up and rise, and they're just so cute. And we got them for $1.99. And oh, the paper. This is like the most important thing I went for. So there was a couple paper kits we found. There's one other cool thing too, but I want to save that for last. So these paper kits are very beautiful, and it came with this sticker kit that was really lovely. I love the poinsettia. See right there, it's just gorgeous. And of course it came with these lovely papers that you can see across here. And they're just so very pretty. I actually think I have some of this paper, which I just realized that my audio is not hooked in. Sorry about that, guys. That probably sounds much better. I do that sometimes. But I think that Aunt Trudy bought me some like this last year, or at least a little bit like this. So, I know I have it out, a little bit of it out. Some of it is buried in the closet, what little Christmas stuff she did buy me to help support. I think there was like 2 or 3 different colors that I gotta go grab that would match this set perfectly. Everything she chose was just magnificent. So you guys will be seeing that stuff here pretty soon too. Oh, and you guys are probably like, what was the price? So $3.99 for the paper, probably $7.69 regular value. So pretty good deal. I feel like purchasing the paper stacks, I got better value out of the paper stacks than this, but I wanted something a little different, and I really loved the patterns in this paper, and of course that poinsettia sticker. Of course we got these wonderful chipboards with the deer and the tree, and it was $1.99, and the estimated value was $7, which I could definitely see that. And they're just so wonderful, and they match the theme that I'm going for. And these are similar. As you can tell, the little car down here, there's a red one on the other set. But they're a different color combination, but they still match with everything that we have wonderfully. And here is our cozy Christmas paper. I got 2 by this company. I really like the My Mind's Eye paper goods. I think I have a couple other batches from them, and the only places I've been able to find them, at least in Arizona, is at Tuesday morning. So got some red bows and some polka dots. Oh, I really like this plaid going on here. It's got some letters in there. I like the little cars were cute. The words, of course. Oh, this one, I really love this one. We're gonna see this one definitely in some projects. Ooh, this one's also really cute. All right. Gotta move it out of the way. And I like this one. This one's a lot more vintagey feel, and that's kind of what I wanted to go for with quite a bit of my Christmas stuff. So let's take a quick look. Black polka dots. Ooh, I like those trees, of course, because they're my favorite color. Ooh, this one's really nice. I like that one. I'm not as big on it, but I do really like it. If it was in a different color, I'd probably like it more. I'm liking the plaids. They'll be fun to work with. Oh, those little snowman globes are cute. I really like this I think that'll be fun. This one's nice too. It's got a little, I don't know if you can see it up here. It's got a little poinsettia. Yeah, there you go. So there's that one. And this one was my favorite. This one was the first one I picked out. We will definitely be seeing stuff from this one. I love this one. It's so beautiful. And this one's nice. I really like that one. I'm not too big on the polka dots. Ooh, I love that. That's gorgeous. Very, that'll make a wonderful cover for the inside of Basics. I might do one of those. I love this. So beautiful. As you can tell, I'm going a little bit slower on this one because I really love this one. These tags are beautiful. The colors are just downright amazing. Just wow. I'm going to speed it up a little bit because I don't want this video to be too long. And I think we're going through some repeats now. Yeah, there's quite a few repeats now. So that is our last paper kit that we went ahead and got a hold of. And we only got a hold of 2 doodads and we got 2 chipboards. Now, the last thing we did get a hold of, which is what we will be seeing in yesterday's video that I haven't filmed yet, is this Tim Holtz Ideology tag press. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, but they're so expensive, and $5. I mean, who can beat that price compared to $20? If I'm not mistaken, it averages anywhere from $20 to $25 at Joann's. So yeah, this was definitely a steal. Now, I do got to go get more of these little taggy things. What is in here and designed in that video will be up on the Lil Miss Dasie shop. I'm going to try and get everything I've made up until today in the shop today. So anything else will be listed as I get a chance, because I obviously want to get them listed before next week so you guys can hopefully purchase them and have them shipped to you before Christmas. So my goal is to have everything online on Lil Miss Dasie and done by Friday. That way you guys can have a chance at everything. So obviously not this wonderful guy, but the little chip dudes that get filled with paper, you'll have a chance at those. So alrighty, now the last thing before I go from this video is I remember I told you guys I was gonna pick out a few more digital kits. This isn't all of the paper, and they're not as bright as they usually would be on standard paper. So keep that in mind. These are usually more vivid colors because I used a very, very shiny, unique paper. It usually works better with inkjet, I guess, or not inkjet, laser. This paper is better with laser printer, but the colors still came out beautiful. It came out exactly the way I wanted, and they are shiny. So this is the kit we will be getting, and I blew it up as big as I could before the printer wouldn't let me blow it up anymore, and the resolution is just downright amazing. And here's this one, and this lovely. And the links for this, I think I said at the beginning of the video, there's this little tiny, will be in the description box for these. And when I purchased them, which was last night, they were on sale for like 90 some odd cents. So they're definitely worth their value, even not on sale. But of course, you always love getting that extra good bargain. So I have a lovely lady that loves and collects snowmen. I have a feeling that this one won't last once I finish the project I have planned for it. So just keep in mind, if you're eyeing that snowman and you're not one of my regulars, you may want to grab it. Alrighty. So that is everything for this video. Now we are going to jump into utilizing the Tim Holtz tag press. You've already seen this, so I will see you in the next video.